In the guise of the GR Sport, the LC300 is a link to the past as well as a foresight rolled into an attractive package. Toyota's Dakar outfit hopes to compete in the iconic 2023 edition of the off-road race with vehicles based on what you see here. This has ushered in GR Sport-specific improvements such as modified suspension arm placement and shock absorbers, a revised bumper design and adoption of EKDSS and electronic diff locks, but more on that later. Aesthetically, the GR Sport provides a sportier feel than the relatively more utilitarian GXR and ZX stablemates. The gaping honeycomb grille adorned with Toyota and GR Sport decals is sure to have some looking in that direction, and the 18-inch gray and black alloy wheels for the wheel arches, door handles, mirrors, and rocker molding are an added touch. Neat. The cabin is also sporty, with model-specific upholstery and stickers for the steering wheel and seats. In terms of ergonomics, there is nothing to complain about. The seats are comfortably contoured, there's acres of space at the front and rear, though the third row is retained by both child and occasional adult passengers, and the perceived quality is impressive. A quick glance at the feature checklist reveals the LC300's desire for small, valuable items: keyless entry and exit, multi-zone climate control, garden distance control, and multi-terrain monitor. While it's true that there are few things more appealing than the hoarse voice of an 8-cylinder engine rumbling from the innards of a big SUV, it's mentioned that the new 3.3-liter V6 turbo diesel is by no means a step back in the cruiser's evolution. Developing an attractive 225 kilowatts and 700 Newton-meters from just 1,600 rev/min, the output of this new unit comfortably surpasses the 195 kilowatts and 650 Newton-meters produced by the outgoing 4.5-liter V8 turbo diesel. Top speed remains 210 km per hour, but considering the 2.4 tons this unit has to go, the 8.23 seconds 0 to 100 km per hour time gained during performance testing is quite good, as is the 9.97 L/100 km return with mixed-use fuel-efficient route. Like many of Toyota's latest offerings, the LC300 is the recipient of one of the group's TNGA, Toyota New Global Architecture, platforms. In this case, the TNGA-F demonstrates truss-based retrieval on a modular foundation. This setup neatly combines the chassis strengths of a traditional ladder frame SUV, greater torsional integrity for hardcore off-road requirements such as improved axle articulation, with the TNGA platform, modularly realized production cost reductions and improved architecture resulting in a 200 kilograms weight loss compared to the last model. The highlights of this GR Sport model are the updated suspension, consisting of a high-mounted and trailing link front double wishbone, a rigid rear axle arrangement equipped with adaptive dampers and EKDSS, electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system. Hydraulically assisted steering is light and body control, as one would expect from a ladder chassis with ample suspension travel, goes wrong on the light side. Although, the new foundation makes it feel more calm and alert than its predecessor. It remains a very comfortable and smooth drive. That suspension effortlessly absorbs road scars that would make many of its competitors tremble with smooth gearshifts from the 10-speed automatic box, and the NVH is impressively squeezed at highway speeds. It feels pretty much unstoppable off-road. The multi-terrain select system adjusts the throttle, transmission, suspension and traction management systems within 6 preset parameters: auto, dirt, sand, mud, deep snow, and rock, while the GR Sport's EKDSS system works hard to keep all 4 wheels in contact with land as long as possible. Front and rear electronic locking differential maximizes available traction. The off-road assist system does an impressive job of protecting passengers from what's going on under the cruiser's wheels. Even with EKDSS enabled, which keeps the anti-roll bar in its most fruitful setting, the ruts and bumps you'd normally endure seem to be tampered with under the cruiser's hefty frame without the anticipated rush. Land Cruiser 300 Series 3.3 V6 Diesel 7 seats GXL, starting price $101,790, but this is not official. Everything can change at any time.